Hey girl, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla. Today we are going to TJ Maxx because I need to swing by Ulta anyway because I did an online, well, I did a pickup order that I need to go pick up before they close in 40 minutes. And it's literally like 5 minutes down the road. So I'm gonna go get that, but my TJ Maxx is right by there and I thought I would go and film what they have because the last time I was in there, they had some amazing products and I didn't film it at all, so I wanted to film it for you guys this time. I've been seeing a lot of benefit in other people's TJ Maxx, so I'm kind of hoping that I see something like that, but I'm probably not gonna buy it. So I just kind of hope that I see something really, really cool. Also, I'm hoping my TJ Maxx isn't playing music because I realize that's probably why I don't post a lot of these. It's because every time I'm in there and I'm filming, there's always music and I always have to like try to cover it with something louder, like a voiceover, because I don't want to talk too loud in the store and get kicked out for filming. So I'm always trying to be very cautious. I am going to be taking my vlogging camera. I know every time I walk in with my camera, they're kind of like, what are you doing? And I'm like, I'm filming, bitch. But so far, nobody's told me anything. We're just gonna have to see. All right, guys, let us see what we can find. We have a lot of Maybelline Colossal or Maybelline mascaras for $3.99. We have the Soph X Revolution. Is this the makeup palette? Yeah, it is. Because I know that they have like a highlighting and contour. That is $6. Wow. Ooh, I see NARS. Let's see what it is. Foundation. Ooh, all day luminous weightless foundation. This is going for $14.99. You can't really see that, but yeah, $14.99. Cover effects. Water cloud primer. Ooh. Ooh. This is retailing for $9.99. Wow. Ooh, I see a lot of stuff. We got some Becca Skin Love foundation. These are $7.99. Do I have this? I don't think I have the shade. Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Strip, $7. This is the soft light blurring powder from Becca. This is $9.99. We have some Anastasia lipsticks. Ooh, matte. That's actually what I need. This is $7. It is a pink. I see a couple other ones. The cool part is I'm seeing a lot of lashes. So like Ardell Wispies. Best thing ever. Look at this. For $8. See something that's Stila. Ooh, the souffle. I don't know how I feel about those. The texture's a little weird to me. Ooh, wow, they have a Sephora collection here. I mean, I don't like those fun. What is it? Lashes, but. Oh, look at this. This is from last year's holiday. Oh my god, I wanted these so bad. But then I was like, no, they're just gonna sit in my drawer. These are retailing for $17. I want to say these were like 50 bucks, 40 bucks, $48, so $50, and they're now going for 17. Wow. Oh, I think I saw this last time. This is the Urban Decay Brow Guide, kind of like what Anastasia has, those stencils to guide you, and these are retailing, or sorry, they're going for $8. A Stila highlighter, but not really a shade I'd really care for. It is $8. These are the Stila Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow sticks. And I find these all the time. This is in the shade Cloud. And these retail here for $6.99. These are amazing. So I would pick up any if you like the shade. I'm seeing some Laura Geller Baked Balance and Brighten for $5.99. So we have the Becca Velvet Blurring Primer Perfecting Base. Ooh, this is $9.99. Oh, yes. There is milk here for $9.99. This is... Ooh, this is a setting powder, and it is in translucent. This is an eye primer for $4.99. Check this out. More and more milk. Oh my gosh, it's insane. We have the milk foundation stick, and that's retailing for $9.99. I see Anastasia cream bronzer brush, $7.99. Eyeliner duos. Oh my god, you know every YouTuber raves about their eyeliners? I really want to try them. So these are like a travel trial size, and these are going for $10.99. Honestly, I'm considering getting these because it's a beautiful chocolate brown and a blue shade, and I hear so many great things about them. Profusion Blend and Glow palette for $5.99. Okay, I think I saw something else of milk, but it was taken out of the package. But there's this. Is a Yeah, a concealer. And this is retailing for $11.99. We have some Bare Minerals foundation. Obviously it's really dark, but it's going for $7.99. Milk foundation is also $11.99, like the concealer. We have some, I've always seen these at the drugstore and I want to get them. These are the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted blushes. And these are here for $3. And cool. For skincare, they have Dr. Jart Mission Clear. This is a cool starter kit or even a Christmas gift for somebody that's wanting to get into skincare. $9.99. Philosophy Micro Delivery Exfoliating Facial Wash. And this normally goes for $15, but it is selling here for $11.99, a few dollars off. So I've seen this here every now and then, not this specific product, but from this Neutrogena line. This is the Hydro Boost multivitamin booster, and this is going for $9.99. I've always been intrigued by this line because I need hydration in my life. If you guys have ever considered getting some St. Ives, they have it here for $3, so you want to save some money on that. These are really good for skincare. Ooh, check this out. They have some BioSilk color therapy. BioSilk's really good. My grandma used to always use it. I love it. Oh, I saw this here last time and I was so excited. They have First Aid Beauty Skin Rescue Daily Face Cream, and this is $7.99. Hydro Boost Water Gel from Neutrogena. This is $9.99. This Living Proof. I know people like Living Proof, so I wanted to show this. This is the Forming Paste. I don't know if I like Living Proof. I haven't tried it yet on my hair. Again, yeah. It's $9.99 here. This is the Oil-Free Mattifying Gel. Ooh, from First Aid Beauty. Oh my gosh, it is $9.99, peeps. Oh yes, I saw this last time. They have these Urban Decay Scented Sparkling Body Powders. And I think they had this one last time, but they have the honey one this time. Oh, and these are going for $9.99. First Aid Beauty Purifying Mask Skin Rescue. Dude, First Aid Beauty, so good. And this is going for $9.99. Oh, they have Josie Marin. I've heard so many great things about this. This is the All Day Moisturizer as SPF 47. That is going for $5.99. We got Neutrogena Rapid Clear Facial Scrub. Ooh, what's this? Ooh. Is this the Ariana Grande? Oh, it is. They have Ariana Grande Moonlight Body Spray for $8. I wonder if they have the actual perfume here. That'd be cool. Alright, on to the kits. We have some Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy Gloss Collection. Is going for $20. We have Anastasia Holiday Liquid Lipstick Kit. This was last year's liquid lipstick kit. Whatever they didn't sell, it's still here. This is retailing for $50. $50? Okay. Oh, these are different ones? No, they're the same. I remember seeing them last year at Ulta, and they just had different sleeves on them. That made me think like, oh, they're different, but they're not really different. We have some more Estee Lauder. Oh, check this out. I don't know if I showed you guys this, but last time they had the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette. This is going for $19.99. I can't really focus with one hand, but they still have this Becca, what is this, Pro Glow? Can you see that? This is the Becca Pro Glow palette for $16.99. Wow. They have a Kevin Aquan eyeshadow palette here. I'm geeking out. The Jewel Pop Base and Eye palette for $19.99. Wow. They also have some Bobbi Brown back there. Interesting. I'm seeing a Versace gift, and it's I've seen two. Ooh, that's $35. What is this? Oh, I love the bright crystal. It smells so good. Absolutely love this. $50. This is the gift set from last year, I want to say, for Christmas. So if you guys are looking for a Christmas gift set, I would recommend this. They have Daisy here. I love the Daisy. But they have the Versace perfume gift sets. That one is $35. This is one of my favorite scents. This is $50. This is the Dolce & Gabbana light blue. Absolutely love it. If they had the sun, I would be dying, because that one's so good. Oh my god, but my absolute favorite scent, Flower Bomb by Viktor and Rolf, and they have it. Oh, they have Kat Von D as well. I might be getting a perfume today. I don't know. I shouldn't. This one is going for $70. Absolutely love this perfume. It's so good. Let's see how much this is, because I can't remember if I like this one or if I like the white one, which is the Angel, right? This is the Kat Von D Sinner, and This is going for $13. I might get this actually. I'm gonna hold this in my hand because I might get this. For those of you that love Abercrombie & Fitch, they have their scents here for $13. They have some Hollister back there. Juicy Couture. I'm not a huge fan of Juicy Couture anymore. I used to love it. No, I don't really care now. Tommy Bahama for men. I've never smelled that, so I don't know if it's nice or not. Okay, now we're in the hair section, and I wanted to show you guys a couple things that they have. So they do have Carol's Daughter here. Main Choice, which is really great for curly hair if you have curly hair like myself. This is the 3-in-1 Revitalizing Focus. Revitalize and Refresh Conditioner. And this is $8. They also, if you guys use Redken, they have some Redken. Redken is really good. I would suggest picking it up. So Shea Moisture has a mask that's the black castor oil mask, and oh my gosh, it revitalizes my curls so well. Absolutely love it. And oh, in case you're wondering, this is also $8. I can't really focus. Ooh, we have the Curl Stretch Pudding. How much is this? This is $4.50. All right guys, for those of you guys that love Living Proof, there's a whole section of things. Oh, and then of course we have It's a 10. Honestly, It's a 10, really great brand. If they had the oil here, I would kind of go crazy. Also, if you guys are wanting to stock up on your Batiste, it's a really great dry shampoo. It is $8.99. This is like a jumbo size, so that's really cool. I'm noticing this is out of place, but they have the Dr. Jart Shake and Shot masks. Dr. Jart has really good mask. This is $6.99. I'm seeing lots of Redken. Kenra, it's another good brand. Joico, another good brand. I wish I could smell this. This is the apple cider donut from Philosophy soap. And this is $10.99. Guys, my TJ Maxx is stocked today. They have the Thayer's toning towelettes. These I hear are really great if you're trying to even out your skin tone. These are, let's see where is it at? These are $3, so I would go pick it up. Ooh, Marc Jacobs Undercover Coconut Primer. This is $15. Peter Thomas Roth Irish More Mud Purifying Cleansing Gel. Peter Thomas Roth is a really great skincare brand. And this is $16, and this is huge. Guys, how cute are these robes? They are $16.99 to $24. Let me see. This one specifically, so soft, and the color's cute. This is $19.99. Look at the gray one. Oh, this looks so luxurious. This looks so cute. This is $16.99. Super soft, and especially because the winter's coming up. Cute. Oh, this one's like a hotel bathtub. Oh, that's so soft. It's $14.99. Okay, my TJ Maxx has really great bath products. So we got spa socks over here. How much are these? I bet they're $3. Look at the gray ones. It's so cute. These are $5.99. We have a callus remover. There's a few. So there's like a one over here from a different brand. That is $5.99. This one catches it, which is really cool. This is also $5.99. Let's see what else we got. We got a facial cleanser. That looks like the what is this called? Not the Foreo, I think that's what it's called. We have waterless razors from Venus. Don't know how these work, so I cannot recommend them to you guys. $4. Exfoliating gloves help so much with keeping your skin super soft, so I recommend picking some up. Whenever you apply your soap on your body, just use one of these. It helps so much. My skin is so soft. If you guys can't afford like a Clarisonic or anything like that, or a PMD, there's a lot of options here. So we have like this Think Space, looks like the Clarisonic, and this is $10. There's handheld ones that don't require batteries or anything like that. We got pore scrubbers. These are really good to get rid of a lot of junk in your face. All right guys, that is everything that I found at TJ Maxx. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below on what you liked from this store that I didn't pick up. That way I know to show more of certain brands that I'm not aware of that people like. So leave it in the comments down below, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.